Hi everybody, thank you so much for joining. Today I am flavoring my kombucha. I'm doing a second fermentation. If you saw my first kombucha video, you saw how I brewed the black tea, and in my second video, how I transferred it into my fermentation bottle, and I've bottled my kombucha. You can definitely drink it as it is. It's healthy, it tastes good, straight from the bottle after fermenting. My family, my boys love it when I do a flavoring. So second fermentation is when you add fruit and you leave it for about a day or two. And the only thing you have to do is to remember to burp the bottles, because with the fruit, you're giving more sugar for the kombucha to activate, and there'll be a lot of gas, especially from certain fruits like strawberries and kiwis. So you can use whatever and be creative. In the beginning, I was making ginger and lemon, and then I got more creative and started experimenting with different flavors. I like to purchase whatever I find at the grocery store that's organic and use up whatever I find in the fridge that's still good fruit. Today I found some lovely organic blueberries and some healthy blackberries. I had some kiwis in the refrigerator, as well as some pears. So I thought I'd pair the pears with blueberries. That might make a nice mix. And kiwi blackberry kombucha. So here we go. I like to slice the blueberries in half. You can put about 2 tablespoons of fruit in each bottle. I'll slice the pear so it can fit into the narrow opening of the bottle. You can use fruit, you can use herbs, and then you can see the fruit there. So that will be our blueberry pear flavoring. And for our blackberries, I would do the same thing. Just cut it down the middle so that it'll fit nicely in the opening of the bottle. And for this, the kiwis are already sliced the right thickness. There we go. Maybe I'll fit one more blueberry in. So that's all for our second fermentation. After this, I would just clear up the bottle because there's a little mushy fruit on top, and then I'd bottle it and I'd put it into a nice warm spot. And daily in the morning, I would just open the bottle and you will feel some pressure, release any bubbles, and then close it up again and wait for the second day, and you should notice a difference in the flavor and sometimes the color as well. So maybe I'll take some pictures the next day and you'll see how sometimes the color will change to take on the color of the fruit. So I hope you're inspired to do a second fermentation with your kombucha. And if you have any questions, please pass them by. All right, thank you so much. Enjoy your kombucha. Another yummy bottle of kombucha.